Hello, everyone. You are welcome once again. Still on goal setting towards life management. After looking at how goals can be measured, how can we create an attainable goals for ourselves? You need to know that when you have identified the goals that are mostly important to you and to your life, you begin to figure out ways that you can make them come to reality by making sure that you develop an attitude, abilities, skills, and financial capacity that will assist you to reach and attain your goal. So, this will avail you the opportunity to bring yourself closer towards achieving the goal in due time. Don't forget, as I've said earlier, setting goals is quite different from achieving the goal. So, for you to achieve the goal, you now look at your own personal competencies, meaning looking at your own attitude towards that goal. Is your attitude towards that goal positive? Is your attitude towards that goal something worthy of mention? Is your attitude towards that goal measurable? So, what are the things that have been said about you? Are you using that to weigh yourself down? You are using that to rebrand yourself. So your own attitude determines your altitude in life. So you need to take cognizance about that, not what people are saying is what you'll be looking at. Look at your own attitude and ability and the skills that you need to apply to your goal that have been set. Then the next one is to create a realistic goal. How do you create a realistic goal? To be realistic with your goal, the goal must represent an objective towards which you are willing and able to work with. This means what you have the capability to do without any stress. That makes your goal to be reality. That makes your goal to be real to your life and how to manage your life meaningful. A high goal is frequently easier to reach than a low goal because a lower goal exerts a lower motivational force, but a higher goal takes you far in life. I want you to get something clear here. When you set a higher goal, what that higher goal will do for you is to allow you not to relax on your nerves, is to put you on toes. But when you set a very minor goal that can bring your level of fastness to be lower, because you are thinking that you may not achieve that. But any goal at all that you want to set, either a higher goal or a smaller goal, it must be realistic. It must be a real goal, and it must be a life goal, not a dead goal. Then the last one among them is setting your goal using time. When your goal is tangible, you have a better chance of making it specific and measurable. Thus, that goal will be attainable. You should know that time waits for no one. Utilize the time you have now before it is too late. If you set your goal earlier, you will achieve the goal at a faster time. But if you set the goal late, then to achieve the goal will also be too late for you. Apart from looking at all the strategies that can assist you in setting your goal, what are the pitfalls to goal setting? What are the things that can make you not to achieve your goal after all efforts, after several pursuits, after several efforts gingered towards achieving your goal? The first one is setting unrealistic goals. If you set unrealistic goal, you will not achieve such goal. Number two, underestimating completion time. Your goal needs to be attached with time. If the goal is not attached with a particular time, it means you are underestimating the goal to be achieved with a due time. So, if the completion of the goal set is not being attached to a particular time frame, then that stands as one of the pitfalls to such goal that you have set for yourself. Then number three is, if you do not appreciate failure. Failure is part of life. If someone fails, that is not the end of that person's life. In fact, I've read about stories of some people who actually failed 10 times, some even more than that, but they have the dream, they have the goal that they want to achieve something. So as they are now working towards the goal, they never mind the failure. Rather, they are just pursuing what they have in mind. So you need to appreciate failure sometimes, because failure puts you on the right track. But that does not mean that you purposely walk towards failure. But if something you have worked for doesn't work well, you re-strategize, you replan, you reformulate your strategies. Maybe you have not answered the right question at the right time. Go back to all the W's, then answer them accordingly. That will give you how you can overcome such. The next one is setting other people's goal. And this is one of the mistake that majority of human that we engage ourselves into. We set goal really, but the goal we are setting, the goal we have set for ourselves are not real for our personal lives. They could be another person's goal. If you have set another person's goal, you will be working for that person. In fact, a person who is setting another person's goal is as if somebody who is writing examination and he or she is not smart on how to copy. Then you are now copying the person's name. You are copying the person's, let's say, university matric number. That means you are killing yourself, because originally the examiner will know that you are copying, you have copied from another person. If at all penalty is coming, it will come largely for the person who has copied from the right source. So when you plan or you set a goal and the goal is being taken from another person's life, it's as if you are working for that person. So one of the reasons why goals are not being achieved is because some people set goals for another person's life, or they are taking the goal from another person's life pursuits. Then the next one is not reviewing goal progress. If you don't review the progress of all the goals being set, are you progressing or retrogressing? If you don't find time to checkmate, to review the progress, then you may not achieve the goal, and that serves as a pitfall to all the efforts used towards achieving your goal. Then the next one is when you have your goal to be too numerous. Want to achieve this, that, this, that. No. You set a specific goal. Don't forget. If you have a numerous goal that is on a general platform, and for you to achieve a general goal, it will take you a longer time. So why not set a goal that you can easily attain, you can easily achieve? After achieving that, you move to the next one, on and on. So that will assist you to get it done. But when your goals are too numerous, that could affect you from achieving such goal. Then the last one is when you don't have a supporting milestones. The milestone here could be you don't have a supporter, you don't have a mentor, you don't have somebody that can guide you, and there is no particular time frame attached to their goal. That will serve as a pitfall to the goal that you are setting or you have set for yourself. All these serves as the pitfalls to goal setting. So when you look at it from beginning, you will discover that setting goal is part of what we should pursue in our life, because it shapes and also directs our life toward the right direction. Don't forget, we have looked at the meaning of goal. We have also looked at the lifespan of goal. We have looked at the guidelines of how to set goal. We have also looked at the strategies of setting achievable goal. And also we have looked at the importance of goal setting. Also, the difference between dreams and goal. Don't forget, the difference between your dream and your goal is the action you applied to the goal. And also, don't forget, we have also looked at difference between a smart and a dumb goal. Also, don't forget the W's attached with the goal. So when you have all this, I'm very sure you will know how to write your goal reasonably. On the final note, I need to put it across to you that you are a winner. I want you to place your hand by your chest and say, I am a winner. If you truly believe you are a winner, all you need to do is take your time, set a smart goal, a life goal, and an achievable goal. Also set a goal that is realistic for your life, because this is your life. Your goals is part of your life. Your goal is a roadmap to your success. On a final note, the meaning of goal is your dream plus the action steps plus the target dates applied to the goal. Thank you for your time. Till we meet again in another special edition from our consult, Heed Eding. I remain myself. Thank you for your time.